Which one do you want to open first?
Alright, tear those up.
Here, let's get it started.
Graham's opening his first Easter presents from Aunt Monica.
Get it started. He doesn't like it when I try to do it. Let's open it. Open it. What is it? What is it?
Woo! Happy baby.
It's some pants, some shorts. Alright.
Yeah, buddy.
Yay.
That's happiness.
Here, what's in this one? What's in this one? What's in this one?
So I hope it's more paper.
What's in here? You like the blue paper, huh? Is that the best present of all? What's in here?
Over here. Open your gift.
Look. What is it? What is it?
What do we got?
You want to open it? You like the blue paper? Look. It's a shirt.
He likes it. Big fan of plaid.
You like that? You like it?
Got him a McHenry shirt.
Aw, these are short all.
You gonna look good in that, Graham, huh? You gonna look good in that? Where are you going?
Cute. Okay. Alright. Look, let's open this one.
Alright, this is the gold necklace, right?
Open this one up.
Graham, what do you got?
You can open it? You just
gotta-
want to find the little papers?
You gonna run away?
Hey, look. Buddy. Look, there's a prize in there. No, you flung it over my
Oh, I
desk.
found it. Found it. There you go.
Look.
Look at that, Graham. Woo!
Oh, that's really cute. That's really cute. That's for you.
He likes it.
You like it. It's for you.
Graham, you like it? You like it? Yeah.
There's one more.
Another gift.
Last one.
Graham.
Here you go. You want to shake the present out? You found it. Look.
Hey!
What is this
Stream
one?
close up.
Aww.
Woo!
Look at this one, Boo. You like this one?
I think he's a big fan of everything.
Yay! Yay!
That's a happy kid. Happy kid?
Say thank you, Aunt Monica.
Say thank you. Or just spaz out, either way.
Thank you.
Freak out. There you go. Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome gifts.